friends and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another makeup tutorial for you, of course, for this look, which I actually really like. It's like a bit smoky but a bit more on the soft side, let's say like this. And this is, in my opinion, a very universal look as well. It will look good on everybody because these chameleon colors, they have a bit of everything, so they look good on brown eyes, they look good on green eyes, they look good on blue eyes. For today's video I used for my eyeshadows the Kylie Jenner single shadows. Now I actually got these, if I can see here, so they arrived in September, in the mid-September. So yeah, that was a long time ago. I had a bad experience with Kylie's eyeshadows in the past. I bought a palette and also a highlighter from her, and I didn't like either of those. So I was a bit skeptical, you know, to buy something again, but I bought those probably like 2 years ago. And I decided to, you know, try these again right now because a lot of people really like these and they're good, they're nice. You know, I use them today and they apply really good. No complaints here, but you will see that in the video. I do have a bit of a rant here, a bit of a rant. They do come in this lovely packaging, and you can see you have, for the single shadows, for the individuals, you have this plasticky bit and this. And one eyeshadow, which is the main eyeshadow that I used for this look, is absolutely smashed. You can see it here. Look how it is. And all the bits from this eyeshadow just kind of flew everywhere in the box. So I'm kind of not happy about that because in a way it's smudged all over and it's always like falling eyeshadow from this little container, plastic container. So I don't know what to do with this because it has also a very odd consistency. It's not really creamy and it's not really like a powder, something in between, but it feels like a powder that had a bit of cream in it and then the cream just dried, so the eyeshadow smashed. So it's quite a fragile one, so included actually a lot of wrapping paper and foam and stuff like this, and still smashed. So I don't know what happened there. But I have a couple of mattes, I have some shimmery ones. The shimmery ones are really nice. They have this texture that I love, really similar to the Anastasia Beverly Hills ones that are really kind of creamy. They're nice. They're not, I don't remember right now the price because, as I said, I bought them a couple of months ago. But you will see them in action. You will decide for yourself. They're not bad. So I guess this Kylie makeup tutorial, Kylie makeup testing, is a successful one because the previous one was horrible. So yeah, let's get started with this tutorial. I hope you will enjoy this. Love this.